Hello guys, and today we are not going to be reacting to James Charles.
Oh yeah, like I wanted to. I'm her best friend Sarah. She does nothing I say.
We're going to be reacting to my ex.
Oh well, okay. Because I randomly clicked on David Watson like a jerk. So
We're
great.
gonna watch. Which one should we watch?
Which one?
I seriously don't know.
I neither do I. That's what funny moments, I guess.
Hold on.
Okay.
This one.
He's
Would
too
you
scared
rather-
to like show his face.
Would you rather with Kylie? Let me restart it. It's very loud, guys. He hates me.
Oh my gosh.
I was so excited to call him. Like, I was like, no, I was like so excited. I was acting weird. To be honest, I actually liked him at that time. Do not tell him, please. I should put.
Now this feels like super bad for me because personal reasons.
Yeah.
And I can't tell you guys, I wish I could. You're like my life. Please subscribe to Kylie, by the way.
Please don't. I'm annoying.
She just died by coughing, so that's great.
Yeah.
Totally great.
Sorry if Sorry if my voice is annoying. It should be changing here soon.
It's never gonna change. Oh my god.
That's hilarious.
She's sounding like so weird.
It makes me so happy, but also want to cry at the same time.
Yeah, because that's like trash. I get it.
No, it's my ex.
That's what I just said, Kylie.
Oh.
Okay, on the count of three, we're both gonna do the Hi Sisters from James Charles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi Sisters! Okay,
Just
we do
kidding.
it so great. Okay, we're definitely James Charles fans.
Don't. Why? Sad face.
But don't watch us, we suck.
Yeah. I don't think anybody watches
This
us
is the
but
first.
Chloe.
This is the. Hold on. This is the first ever time I've ever been in a YouTube video. Like, ever at all.
Not mine. I'm right there. My mom said I was
Hello.
special.
Hello. If you didn't know me, my name is Sarah E. Perkins. My first name and my middle name is from the Bible. My family cursed it all. My family cursed it all with the last name. So they cursed me.
Perkins? What does Perkins mean?
Perkins just means Perkins. It would have been like Noah.
Campbell means like Campbell.
Sarah, Eve, Noah.
Sarah, Eve, Noah?
Noah is from the Bible. So
Oh, Eve! Your middle name is Eve!
I know that. From Adam and Eve.
Wait,
Yes,
should we be
so
watching this?
I don't know.
When the dog race?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, sir. On top of the world. More like on the bottom. Oh my gosh.
Shut up! He might watch my video. No, he doesn't. I never gave him my channel. I should change my channel name and my channel picture.
Yeah, you really should.
Yeah, it's
You
just...
should make your picture should be us.
No.
Oh.
I'm not showing my face.
That is hurtful. I died. Oh, that's my love. My joke sucks. I have horrible puns. Nobody likes me.
Nobody
Except for her. Hello. I don't think she likes me. Earlier, her turtles were humping each other.
Shut up! I'm posting this. I'm sorry, guys. Please don't demonetize me. That was my friend. My friend is stupid. Please don't demonetize me. Logan Paul makes more worse videos than this.
Yeah.
So please kill me.
Yeah, so, hello. Life sucks.
Life sucks, yeah.
Oh my god.
29,000. I haven't played that
It
game
makes
in
her so
long.
mad because she says I laugh like him.
She does. She laughs like she laughs like David. It sucks and it hurts my head. Hello, that's me with the VIP. Pablito. Okay, we gotta be a little bit quiet. Grandma's sleeping. Yeah, it's like
her grandma is sleeping.
Oh my god,
And
I have the
it's
same
like-
computer as David.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
It's not 8 o'clock in the morning.
Look at this. Look at the time.
It's 1 in the morning.
Oh,
By the way, my clock is an hour early.
off.
So, hour early. Shut up.
We gotta walk. Oh, hi, Mr. Turtle. Why you?
Oh, did it
smacking me?
restart?
I don't know.
Oh, it restarted.
Oh no.
Okay. We may have time. Snit. No, we don't have time for that.
What does this say? JoJo Swamp most embarrassing, but no.
I can only record for a few more minutes. Old part 1.
Art part 1.
Old
Art part 1.
old.
We
art.
gotta make a video, bro. You messed it up.
We made a video.
Oh, then post it.
I didn't do it. Why did you put me in it? Why did you put me in your on your little picture? I hate reading those comments.
Why?
Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye.